Hi, I'm Caroline Gow in the Baird and Warner Glenbrook office. Back when I was a baby in June of 2013, take a look at one of my very first market update videos. I think you'll get a laugh.
Hi, it's Caroline here with a quick market update. Today the interest rates are 4.75. They started this morning. They've been quite volatile the last few days. So if you've been considering making a purchase, now might be a good time to lock in that rate because last week they went up over a half a point.
The interest rates were 4.75 back then. And could my delivery be any drier and uninspiring? The four people who watched the video, my mom, Derek, and probably my managing broker, Ian Robinson, who's been with me from the beginning of video time. Fast forward to today in 2021, interest rates are hovering around 2.88%, definitely under 3% for a 30-year fixed. And our Northbrook Market Minute is professionally done, complete with graphics and a videographer, and professionally made just for you on my YouTube channel. So I'd love to connect with you. Please subscribe and follow me below. Every Tuesday we post new content. We have local interviews with businesses, market update, and the Renovations Revealed series every 6 weeks. So I'd love to see you then. Subscribe to my YouTube channel at Caroline Gow. Every Tuesday we post new content of local businesses, renovation projects, and market updates to keep you in the know in Northbrook. Bye for now.